Hello class, today I'll be talking about our app called StayInShape. Our goal. So basically our goal was to create an app that can help push people towards living a healthy life through regular exercise and eating healthy food. We found that a lot of the apps out right now really just either focus on working out or having a meal plan, and it doesn't really incorporate the both of them. And as I'll get into further later, you won't ever see a change if you just decide to work out. You also have to have a diet to either gain weight or gain muscle or lose weight. You have to have some sort of diet along with a workout plan to get to your goal. So our app would create a workout plan and a meal plan for the user to follow based on their BMI. The app would have a lot of features such as reminding the user to work out, keeping track of their workouts and meals, and also giving the user a chance to earn rewards when they do complete their goals as an incentive to continue to push towards whatever your goal may be. Our point of view, like I stated, is we want a fitness app that not only focuses on workouts but also on healthy meals to go along with it. As I said before, a lot of these apps don't do that, and we felt like it's a necessity to have both of those incorporated together and to make sure that people that are using your app are getting these changes because they're doing both of them and they're not having to go out and look at all these other resources to try to figure out what diet they should be following. They can just go on our app and get the best of both worlds. So our prototype link is right here. We use Proto.io to make this prototype. It simulates basically how the app would run on any device. The only problem we did have with Proto.io was that it wasn't saving usernames or passwords and user data. It's just a prototyping website. You can't really make a fully functioning app on there, but it does allow us to basically get our point across in what we were trying to make in the app. So like I said, we focused on creating an app that would design a workout plan based on your BMI. We know that obesity is one of the leading medical conditions that many people suffer from, and we designed this app keeping in mind how important it is to exercise regularly and to eat healthy foods. And we also know that people want to see a change, whether that's losing weight or gaining muscle. At some point in their life, they try to accomplish this goal, but the majority of them give up, and this comes back to the point of not having that diet. We find that a lot of people who go to the gym, through people we've talked to, our friends, people we've interviewed, they go to the gym kind of like a New Year type thing. It happens a lot during New Year, like New Year, New Me type thing, where people decide, oh, I'm going to go to the gym, whether that's to gain or lose weight or gain muscle, but they follow this workout plan and they do it, and then they're like, oh my God, I've been doing this for 2 weeks. Why aren't I seeing any results? And it's frustrating for a lot of people, and it's honestly a reason a lot of people end up giving up on this. And we felt like it's a necessity to have both a workout and a meal plan in the same place so that people do know what they have to do to actually see some results. They know right off the bat that they need to both work out and have a diet catered to what they're doing, and that's exactly what our app will do. So getting into why we changed what we changed, I tried to narrow it down into like the 3 overall points that we did end up changing. So our overall design, we wanted to make it more appealing. We got a lot of user feedback saying that our app was really boxy and kind of ugly to look at. The background wasn't really fitting. It just didn't make sense. It was just a bland old color. And our logo also at the time really was just too much. So we tried to keep everything simple but appealing. We came on the idea of trying to make things less boxy and trying to make things that matter catch your eye first, and not meaningless stuff catch your eye first where you don't really know what you're doing or what you're going through. We also, the big thing we changed was moving through the app. We had a lot of links that were very broad, and when you clicked on them, you got a lot of other links, and we felt that, and we heard from user input that was really confusing for people because you're clicking on a link and you're having to like go through and backtrack through the entire app to try to find what you're looking for. So we try to keep it less broad and more to the point, where you click on something and you know exactly what you're going to and what you'll find on that page, instead of having to run through the app to get to whatever you're trying to look for. And then added and remove features. We were not trying to be overly ambitious, but we did try to incorporate some things that really didn't make sense or were just repetitive. So we tried to cut down on that, like our daily logs. We had a lot of things in there that just really didn't need to be done because we already have the meal planning part of the app and the workout part. So we cut that down and basically just kept it to a daily log to make sure you do the things you're supposed to do through the day, and you can basically check those things off. And then the questions we had for you guys were, do you think we need to add or remove any feature or features to make this app more user-friendly? And do you think this prototype would be a successful app if it had all of the features fully functioning? And if you guys stick around just a little bit longer, I'll run through a demo of our app. Alright guys, so I'm back here with our prototype, and I'm basically just going to run through the app and give you an idea of how the app works. So upon opening our app, StayInShape, you see the main page, or the login page, and we're going to go ahead and sign up. So I already filled this stuff out. So you got your email, your user ID, and your password. You sign up. It tells you your account's been set up, and to check your email to verify your account. After verifying your account, you go on here, enter in your information, and sign into your account. Upon getting to the home page, like I said, we cut down on the broadness of our tabs here, and basically we tell you exactly what you're going to. So workouts and meals, you're going to workouts and meals. Upon your first time logging in, you'd enter in your information with your weight goal, your height in inches, and then your age, and then you'd go ahead and set up, and then it would load in a workout and meal plan catered to you. So right here we got our workout plan, and then it gives you your workouts for the days of the week. And let's go ahead and click on Monday. It tells you your workout for your goal of 155 pounds, which is what I had entered in, and then basically tells you what you got to do at the gym. On a final version of this, we'd like to have, when you do click on something, or the chest press machine, for example, there is a video with instructions on how to do this exercise, because we know that a lot of people getting into the gym don't really know what they're doing. So we'd like to have like a video of sorts when you do press on whatever the workout is, just to help you out and make sure you know what you're doing. Alright, let's go back here and go to the meal plan. So right here, we got meal tracker and food recipes. Meal tracker would basically just have you input what you're eating, how many calories, and whatever other nutritional facts it would need, and it would keep track of that for you to make sure you are on target for whatever you're trying to do. And then under food recipes right here, we basically just wanted to have a lot of options for healthy things for you. So we have main meals here, and upon clicking on this, you'd have a lot of options, and then upon clicking on an option, you would have your information. So a recipe for rice and beans is just a random thing, and basically it's telling you the ingredients, the directions, and the nutritional facts for the rice and beans. And then we would have smoothies and a list of smoothies, sandwiches, a list of sandwiches with directions, protein shakes, a list of protein shakes with directions. Alright, going back to the home page, let's go ahead and hit find a gym. You can either hit current location, which will tell you the closest gym to you. So in this case, Nova Southeastern Gym, 0.1 miles, picture of the gym, and the address. And then go ahead and type 33328 and hit search. And it would tell you, oh, the two closest gyms to you are Nova University, 0.2, and then Tilton Fitness at 0.35. And you would click on whatever one, and it would take you to the page. And then reminders, you can have the app remind you either to text you, enter it in, hit remind me to work out, to call you, or to email you to make sure you're on track with what you're supposed to be doing. And then keeping track is just kind of something where you can make sure you are doing what you're supposed to be doing without a reminder, or not really a reminder, but just kind of a log for it. So your daily log, you'd go through and check off what you had done for the day, and every day it would have whatever you needed to do on working out alone. I mean, you would have your daily schedule otherwise, but it would just make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing to be on track for whatever you're trying to do. And then weight would basically, you just keep a log on your weight change throughout every week. Just every week you come in, type what weight you're at, just so you can see your progression for whatever your goal is and make sure you're on target for that. And then rewards. This is just like a rough outline of how the reward system would work. But basically, you hit 10% of your goal, oh, you get a free protein shake, 25%, 2 free protein shakes, 50%, $10 gift card for groceries, 85, $50 gift card, and you hit your goal, $100 an award for accomplishments. So kind of just incentive to keep you on track. And then we know that we needed a contact us page, as pointed out by you guys. You'd really like if you ran into any issues, you could reach out to customer service and get your issue fixed. So we made a contact page. You can either fill out a ticket or get in touch with us through email. So put in and then just say whatever issue, blah, 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 blah. And then submit that. And it's going to tell you, please allow up to 48 hours. You hit create, and it's created. That's it. And that's it for our app, guys.